Hi, it's April here at Volkswagen Waterloo. I am the detail manager. I've been here at Volkswagen Waterloo since September of 2019. I'm so grateful to be a part of that. I have been detailing since 2006. And the rest of my staff.
Hello, I'm Bo.
Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm here today to give you a little bit of information about why you should choose to come here and get your vehicle professionally detailed versus trying to do it at home in your driveway. We've opened up our brand new facilities in February of 2020, and we have 3 separate bays that we're able to fit all sorts of different sizes of vehicles in. Our pressure washer is on the ceiling so that there's no damage on your cars when we're pressure washing. We also have our wax, and we have anything from our high aggressive compound to our cut to a polish and a finish. So in each bay we have a vacuum with all sorts of different equipments, and that's for vacuuming up the dry mess. And then we have our Eurovac, our wet extractor, and that's for getting out salt and stains from both your seats and your carpets.
To learn more, call today or book your detail appointment online at vwwaterloo.com.
Volkswagen.